Welcome to Jetersblessings. My name is Marjorie, and in today's video, I'm participating in a So You Think You Can Craft challenge hosted by Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. The link to her channel in the playlist will be listed below in the description box, so please be sure to stop by. Today's challenge is going to include beads. So along with the beads that I got from the Dollar Tree are some of these other items like the letter stickers, the jute cord with the wire in it, the white cardstock, and the wood eggs from the Dollar Tree, and these gingham print pastel colored scrapbooking paper came from Hobby Lobby. So what I'll do is I'll take one of the eggs and trace out 3 white eggs, and then I'll trace out 1 egg of the pastel colors. Now that I've traced out all of my eggs, I'm just going to take some scissors and cut out each of the 6 eggs. Now that I've got all of my eggs cut out, I'm just going to take some of this Elmer's glue and a brush and just glue each of the pieces of paper onto the wooden eggs. So there you can see I have my pearl beads from the Dollar Tree, and there comes 80 into a pack. And I'm taking this jute cord with the wire, and I'm just measuring out a piece long enough that I can utilize to make the ears for the bunny. So what I'm going to do is I actually take the jute cord off. I don't want it on there because I'm going to place the beads on there to make the ears. Now you can use floral wire if you want to, that Dollar Tree sells, but I choose to use this instead because it's thicker and it's more sturdy. So I wanted that stability for the ears. So once I have my beads on there, I just go ahead and twist the end of the wire, and then I'll go ahead and create the other ear. So because I have 3 eggs, I'm going to make 3 sets of ears, each of them containing 13 beads. Each ear, that is, it has 13 beads in it. So once I have the ears made, then I'll just take them and I will just glue them down with a good amount of the Gorilla glue sticks. And then I'll take a little piece of felt that I've cut to stick on the back and cover the wire pieces. Now once all of that is complete, I take my letter stickers, oh my goodness, I can't talk. My stickers that are letters, and I spell out the word Easter. So I actually line the bottom of the eggs up on my 15-inch line, and then I just go up 1 inch to the 14-inch line, and that's how I get all of my stickers to be at the same height. So now what I do is I take the first two white eggs, and I'm trying to gauge how far apart they need to be so I can set the other egg on top of the two. And I actually space them out about 2 inches. So then once I have the pink egg on top, I measure out between the white S and the white E another 2 inches, and then I place the T on top. And then after that, I just glue the R to the end of the sign. Now, so what I wanted was for this decor piece to stand up, and so I had some of these square beads. I got a big package of beads at Walmart, and these were part of it. Didn't really know what I would ever use square beads for, so I take one and glue it to the bottom of each of the white egg. So then I'm just gonna stand it up, and I mean, it's not enough, so I have to glue another square bead on top of the bead that was already there. And I also had to move the beads down a little closer to the end of the bunnies. And it works great. So this is what my cute little Easter sign looks like. I really love it because I love the pastel colors, I love the plaid, and I think the pearl beads for the ears just make a really cute addition. Now if you wanted, you could actually put little small bows on there. But I want to say thank you for watching.